found something. A recipe, not for food, for something far more interesting. Glue, shaving foam, contact solution, food coloring, glitter. I have everything except for one thing. I do not have contact solution. Interesting. Let us understand what contact solution actually does and then figure out if we can replace it. Glue is made of polymers. Think of them as very long chains, like a necklace with thousands of tiny beads. When glue is liquid, those chains slide past each other freely. That is why glue pours. But if you link those chains together, connect them like a net, the glue stops flowing. It becomes stretchy, squishy, and bouncy. That is slime. The linking process is called cross-linking. Contact solution does it because it contains boric acid. Boric acid grabs the polymer chains and connects them. I do not have boric acid either. Wait a minute, I have something that does the same job. Baking soda is a base. Combined with soap, it can trigger cross-linking in the right amounts. In theory. Let's find out. Shaving foam, a large handful. This makes the slime fluffy. The foam traps tiny air bubbles inside. Mix gently. Too hard and you lose the bubbles. Equal amount of glue. Mix carefully. Food coloring. Purely for coolness. Felix would add more. Glitter. For a magical feel. Also quite satisfying. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it in. Now, liquid soap. Slowly, a little at a time. Too much and the slime turns sticky. Now watch. There it is. The cross-linking is happening. Remarkable. The polymer chains are now linked. The air bubbles are trapped. The result is a magical squishy mess. Here is what you just saw. Glue is liquid because its chains are free. Baking soda and soap link those chains together. Shaving foam traps air inside to make it fluffy. Science is just understanding why things happen and then using that understanding to make something new, even when you are missing an ingredient. Try it at home and tell me what color you chose. Tell me if it worked. I'm genuinely curious. This has been Orak's Science Lab. See you next time.